Children, what I said in the last class, land and agriculture of Europe. Now, agricultural revolution in European countries. How is the Europe? Europe is also like our Asia country, Asia continent. Europe also like Asia continent. Why this Europe compared with Asia continent? In our country, we have small farmers and landlords in so many villages. Small farmers and landlords are there in so many villages. Like our country, in European countries also some farmers and landlords are there. Over the last 2 centuries, it has changed. That means now the farmers, small farmers, landlords are very few members in that countries. Last 2 centuries, this was changed. Now, technological revolution took in this region. Technological revolution means in agriculture, they use machines. Technology development. They are using machines, they are cultivating lands, they are growing crops using machines. If they use machines, the work of man will be reduced. With very little labor. So they don't use more labor for cultivation. To grow crops, they don't use more labor. With the machines, chemical fertilizers, they can do the agricultural operations. Agricultural revolution takes in this area like in this way. So they don't use labors for cultivation to grow crops. Large land owners, so many large, that means so many of their landlords in that area took agricultural land from small farmers. They took agricultural land from small farmers and these land owners use this land for cultivation without this small farmers. So they don't have any work. The landlords took the land from small farmers. They don't have any land to do work. So they are dependent on other works. For employment, they go to cities or towns, they work in industries or other services, they do work. So this is the agricultural revolution in European countries. European farms. Who are the European farms? In European countries, large farms are for cultivation. Large farms are for cultivation. Suppose 50 acres to 100 acres are for cultivation. 50 acres to 100 acres land used for cultivation in European countries. Farmers build houses in farms only. Here, farmers build houses in farms only. So, they make sheds for animals, go downs to store food grains, and coops and sites for pigs. Coops and sites of pigs, sheds for animals. They construct all this in their farms. They build their houses also in their farms. So they cannot go anywhere. They can see their farms by living there only. So they use machines, technology developed in European countries, I said. So they use machines for cultivation to grow crops. So they use machines with minimum labors. They are cultivating farms. Okay, which they got the products, they sold that products in the market. And they got good income. By farming these lands, these European countries got good income. Because of the good income, these people are living comfortable life. That means good houses, they construct good houses with well equipments, whatever they want, that they got in this land. And wheat is the main crop grown in this region, I said. From that wheat, they make bread and cakes. In earlier days, they got that bread and cake from others. Now, they are making this bread and cakes and selling this to other towns and cities. And these products are sold in other markets. Here, fresh meat also available. Fresh meat is the diet of French people. Fresh meat is the diet of French people. And meat is preserved by drying and freezing. Here, meat is preserved by drying and freezing, and they sold this whenever they want. And these meat, fish also sold in the markets. Okay, these are the European countries farming production. How they do farm? In large farms, they have 50 to 100 acres of large farms for cultivation. They construct their houses in the farms only because they build sheds for animals and shelter for pigs, coops and sites, and like godowns to store food grains. Godowns for what purpose? To store food grains, we use godowns. So they construct all this in their farms only. Their houses and all this in their farms. For agriculture, they use machines and some laborers. The product is sold in where they sold the product, they sold in market. So they have good income. They develop a modern agriculture also. So wheat is the main product of European countries. So from that wheat, they make bread and cakes, and they sold these products in markets. Fresh meat is the French diet. Here, meat preserved by drying or freezing, and they sold this in the market. Okay, this is the agricultural revolution and European farms. About European countries, how they do the agriculture by using modern techniques, modern methods. They develop more technological methods. Because of that, they are doing better agriculture in European countries. Okay, this is the revolution and the European farms. Okay, so many are doing works in other towns and cities also.